Hi boys, I've finally got my voice back, so if you're wondering why in this video I can barely speak, it's because I was sick over the last few days. Yeah, it's just these packs, these mega, the 500k pack, the one with the icon, and then the winter one, the 75k. I've just done them just to let you know that you definitely should not do them. Hi boys, welcome back. We put in what, €50 into the game, so we did open these three big packs. Sorry, my voice is very hoarse. I'm actually very sick at the minute. I actually couldn't speak to more than 24 hours ago, so we'll see how we get on these packs and see how we do. So we're gonna open the winter special, winter snowstorm, I think, or we're gonna go with a winter cheer as well. Yeah, sorry, I can't really be speaking too much, or if I don't react at least quite well, because yeah, my voice is it's, as you can hear, it's in bad shape. I hope everyone had a good Christmas, and I hope everyone has a great New Year. Whoever celebrates Christmas, that is. And yeah, I hope Santa was good. Hope the fat man was good. Right, let's do this. Come on, winter cheer pack. That's not good. Let's see how we get on the season 2 review one. Come on, baby. Come on, please. Something good. It's not good. Scams, boys. Bonus. We have 12 player picks here, so let's hope it gets on decent. Come on, please. Come on, walk out. Oh, hold it. Come on, baby. Yeah. Right, now the winter snowstorm pack, the one with the icon. Come on, good nation, please. Oh, the Snowstorm. It is. We've started the prime one. Alright, the big daddy, the 3,000 FIFA points. Come on. Not good. You want Messi? Not good at all. Oh no. He's untradeable. Well boys, I told you them packs are shit. Stay away from them because they're piss.